What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just got back home and I got 26% on the battery. And thanks to EVDANCE, I can take the charger, I can plug it in, and I'm on a level 2 fast charging. Thanks to the extension cord they also sent me, which runs right to the car. I can pretty much charge it anywhere. I got my vehicles in the garage, so Tesla's outside, but with the 25-volt cord running right to my electrical panel, I got the level 2 fast charger, and right now I'm at 32 amps. And with that plugged into the car, it's gonna take me 2 hours and 55 minutes. 2 hours, 55 minutes to go from 20% to the recommended 80%. I'm just in the garage and I got over here the 2019 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus, and what I got sent to me is from EVDANCE, and this is a level 2 portable charger for the Tesla. You can charge this Tesla right in the comfort of your own home. It's a level 2 charger. This is everything you get in the box here. What I have currently, I have the wall charger, and this is hardwired into my electrical panel. But if you want something that you can just plug in anywhere with this plug for 240 volts, 40 amps, you can plug this in at your house, or if you're gonna go traveling, maybe a RV park or something in your house and you don't need it hardwired, you can just plug this in and you can take this with you and charge up your car a lot faster than the 120 volt charger. What I have in the back, I got a welder plug that's 40 amps. So I could use this charger and plug it right in and get me some fast charging. So this charger will work for the Model 3, Model Y, the Model S, the Model X, and the Cybertruck. You got adjustable options, so you can go from 10 amps all the way up to 40 amps. You have a delayed start timer. You have the LED status description, which will tell you if it's charging, if it's connected, if there's a ground fault. Really helpful. This is everything that you get in the box. You get the charging cable, which is very thick and heavy duty. That's the gun there. The charger itself with the plug. You got the holder for the gun. That just goes in here. And then you also got a holder for the charger itself if you want to mount it on your wall. This would just go in here, and it comes with the screws that you can mount it to the wall, as well as your instruction manuals. This also does come in a carrying case. So most new construction houses are coming with these NEMA 1450 plugs, but because I have the welding plug there, I can use this adapter that I bought separately for around $25 on Amazon. This is the NEMA 650 to NEMA 1450 plug adapter. So I can plug this into my welding adapter and then plug this directly in and get this thing working. This is my first time using this, so I'll show you guys how easy this is, and let's get this thing hooked up. Let's take the connector of this. I'm gonna go back here and first plug this in. That's plugged in. Now I'm gonna take the charger itself and I'm gonna plug it into here. And now it's lit up, so you can see 40 amps. It's saying ready. So the first thing you gotta do is download this app, the EVDANCE charging app. Follow the instructions. When you get to the app, it says add charger. So I'm going to scan the QR code on the charger. Now it's asking me to enter the PIN code. You have the PIN code in your instruction manual. It's on the sticker. So I'm just going to enter the PIN code now. So now it says connect via Bluetooth. So now you can connect it to your Bluetooth. Then you're going to add your network. It's going to ask you for your passcode. Now it's going to configure the Wi-Fi. Once you enter in your passcode, it's going to do the Wi-Fi configuration. So your maximum current, you can select what's your max current. I'll do 40 amps. I'll confirm that. Now it says connect to EV. So I'm going to take the plug. I press the button. It's going to open up. Plug it in. We got the green light. That means it's charging. So if we come into the Tesla, I'm already at 85%. So I just put it to, let's say to 100%. And it says 40 minutes remaining. So we are charging. And we can see on the app now itself that we are charging. You can slide down here to stop the charging. We can adjust the current. Let's say we just want to do 30 amps. So we can adjust the current to 30 amps. Has the temperature, the voltage, everything is all there. So you'll get 30 miles an hour with the charge at 40 amps. You have the adjustable digital display where you can change the amperage with a push of a button. And it has safety protection. So it's IPX6 waterproof. It's got overcharge protection. It's got overheat protection. All the protections, voltage protection, all the protection you can need in it. Currently listed at $370, which is a really good buy. I paid over $700 just for the unit. And then whatever your electrician is going to charge you to hook it up. So to have this and just plug it directly in and you're charging right away. It's just plug and play. So if you want one of these, link is in the description below. Get one for yourself. So with the 25-foot cord, I can easily charge outside of my garage. But that has got to be one of the easiest hookups to set up. Right into the plug. We got the fast charging. We can see right now, I adjusted it to 30 amps. Sorry, 29 amps. You can see everything on this display. You can charge fast charging level 2 in the comfort of your own home. And if you want to stop the charging, you can either stop it on the app. I just slid that over. That stopped it. Or you can just press the button and that releases it.